What's up, homies? In lesson 6, we're going to be talking about form. In music, form is the plan or shape or the layout of the music. The best way to explain form is to use a piece of music itself. In your daily packet on lesson 6 are 2 musical examples. We're going to start with the first one, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. It's a very simple piece of music, but it shows us what form is right away. At the beginning we hear answered with and then something completely different. Then it repeats. And then back to our beginning question and answer. So when we talk about form, we usually use letters to assign. Don't get them confused with the pitches of the notes, but we use letters to describe the different chunks of music. Let's start at the beginning of the alphabet. We can call this A. Then we could call this the B section. Then back to A. So we would say that this melody has an A, B, A form. We call this ternary form with an A section, B section, letter A section again. Ternary. The next musical example in your learning packet is going to be Lightly Row. Let's listen to it. When we talk about form, you can do it any way you want. All you have to be able to do is explain why. So let's start with Lightly Row. That sounds like one thing. That sounds like another thing. Now that I hear that whole first part, it sounds like it could be letter A and then letter A repeated. The very last few notes might be different, but you could still call them the same chunk of music. Let's listen to it again and see if you can hear A, A. To me, that sounds like an A section and a repeated A section with a little change at the end to make it sound good. Let's keep going. Now that's something completely new. I'd call that the B section. So let's see what comes next. There's the A section again. So for lightly row, I would call it A, B, A. A. A again. B. And then A again. Other people might hear as one thing and then as a B. Then A, B, C, A, B. Now you could figure it out all on your own however you want, but you have to be able to prove it yourself. So on the packet, go ahead and try to play it if you can on your instrument. Remember, check the clef. The bottom line on treble clef is E, and the bottom line on bass clef is G. Make sure you're reading it the right way, but any instrument can play any clef. You just gotta know what the notes are. When you check them out at home, label them on top of the music because we write our note names on the bottom of the music. Always use capital letters. Good job.